Welcome to BrainQuest Zone. Today's challenge will test your brain, your logic, and your attention to detail. Most people fail these puzzles. Can you beat them all? Look carefully. Think fast. And remember, the answer is never as obvious as it seems. You have only 10 seconds for each challenge. Let's see how many you can solve. Look carefully at these three students. They all appear to be sitting in the same classroom. But one of them is actually dreaming. The answer is hidden in the environment around them. Pay attention to the shadows. Pay attention to the lighting. Look at every detail. One clue changes everything. Can you solve the mystery? Your 10 seconds begin now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B's shadow falls in a completely different direction. That means B doesn't belong to the same reality as everyone else. Did you notice the clue? Look carefully at these three office workers. Two of them are human. One of them is not. The answer is hidden in a detail that most people miss. Look at their reflections. Look at their movements. Look at every object around them. Can you identify the AI? Your 10 seconds start now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B's reflection does not perfectly match their appearance. That small inconsistency reveals that B is artificial. Did you catch the clue? Three passengers are waiting for their flight. But one of them is not from Earth. Look carefully. Observe their behavior. Observe what they are wearing. Observe how they interact with ordinary objects. The clue is hidden in plain sight. Can you identify the visitor? Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B is wearing shoes backwards. That unusual behavior reveals that B does not understand normal human customs. Did you get it right? Three people are sitting in the same coffee shop. But one of them is trapped in a time loop. Look carefully. Observe the dates. Observe the objects around them. One person is experiencing a different reality. The clue is visible. But only if you pay attention. Can you figure it out? Your time begins now. Time's up. The correct answer is C. The calendar near C shows a completely different day. That means C is repeating a different timeline. Did you spot the clue? Take a careful look at these three students. One of them is invisible. But there is a clue. Look at the reflections. Look at the windows. Look at the environment around them. One person breaks the rules of reality. Can you identify who it is? You have 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B has no reflection. That impossible detail reveals the answer. Did you solve it? Look carefully at these three rooms. Two exist in normal reality. One exists outside of time. The clue is hidden in something very ordinary. Observe the clocks. Observe the objects. Observe the environment. One small detail changes everything. Can you solve the puzzle? Your 10 seconds begin now. Time's up. The correct answer is C. The clock hands move in impossible directions. That room does not obey the normal laws of time. Did you notice it? Look carefully at these three students. One of them knows something impossible. The clue is visible. But only if you pay close attention. Look at what they are reading. Look at the dates. Look at every detail. Can you discover who remembered the future? Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B is reading tomorrow's newspaper. That information should not exist yet. And that reveals the answer. Look carefully at these three houses. Two of them could exist in the real world. One of them cannot. The answer is hidden in the laws of physics. Take your time. Look at the shadows. Look at the sunlight. Look at the structure of each house. One small detail makes one house impossible. Can you find it? Your 10 seconds start. Time's up. The correct answer is B. The shadow direction does not match the position of the sun. That house could never exist in reality. Did you solve it? You have discovered three mysterious doors. One of them leads to the past. The others do not. Look carefully at what is visible beyond each door. Observe every detail. Look at the buildings. Look at the environment. Think carefully. Only one answer is correct. Can you solve it? Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. The world beyond door B belongs to another historical period. That hidden detail reveals the answer. Did you find it? Take a careful look at these three people. At first glance, they all appear completely normal. But one person doesn't belong in our timeline. Somewhere in this image, there is a clue that reveals who is living in the future. Don't rush. Look at what each person is holding. Look at the technology they are using. Look at every small detail. Sometimes the answer is hidden in the place you least expect. Can you figure it out before time runs out? Your time starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is B. B's phone shows a date that doesn't exist in our present timeline. That tiny detail reveals that B is living in the future. Did you find the clue? That's it for today's challenge. How many answers did you get right? Did you beat the hardest puzzle? Get ready for even more mind-bending challenges in the next BrainQuest episode. Until then, keep your eyes sharp and your mind sharper.